and he is standing over there for Grammy Awards. He is winning a bloody Grammy Award. बोला इसके जैसा नाक में से गाने वाला पहले आदमी देखा दुनिया में, तो इसको ग्रैमी जरूर देना चाहिए. अपना इन्फैचुएशन उधर ही टूट जाता है. If from day one we have started hating this guy for singing through the nose, we really wonder ये आदमी का मुंह है कि नाक ही है सिर्फ. तो उसको अगर ग्रैमी मिल रहा होगा तो उस टाइम पे क्या लगता है कि नो 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 नो, दिस गाय रियली सिंग्स वेल, एंड ही बिकम्स फेमस लाइक द फेवरेट Rajeshri Raw's person, PSY.
Gangnam Style.
She's come back because her meeting is postponed. So Gangnam Style जो है वो अभी तुम लोगों को पसंद नहीं रहेगा, लेकिन सबको पसंद है. वही दूसरा एक हमारा इंडिया का बहुत अच्छा आदमी था, वो रजनीकांत का बेटा और सन इन लॉ, हाँ, उसने वो एक सॉन्ग इतना फेमस हो गया था. You know, it became so famous that the first time you heard it, you liked it. The second time you heard it, you hated it. And then every program that you heard, Kolavaridi, chalu hi tha. And it became such a pain in the ears, you know, that you, next time when you go, I want to throttle you. So, even this type of a disliking is nothing but infatuation. It's temporary.
The current trend is honey bunny.
Oh, that is a terrible, that's a very nice ad, but a terrible ad. Because it is, brand recall is fabulous. What an idea, Sarji. You know, that's a fabulous ad, which has, by the way, the advertising industry is saying that just like the, वो छोटा कुत्ता था, कौन से कंपनी का? वोडाफोन का कुत्ता. वैसे ये, हाँ, वैसे ये हज का एड था, बाद में वो वोडाफोन हो गया. And this ad is created so much of impact. And idea is become a good word in India. What an idea, Sarji. So, honey bunny. So, like this, but it is a temporary thing. It's an infatuation. So, this man is sitting down over there completely infatuated by मेरा क्या होगा सांबा, ऐसा. I know मेरा क्या होगा सांबा ऐसा नहीं बोलते, लेकिन वो बोलता रहेगा. डायलॉग मिक्सअप हो गया उस टाइम पे. So there is a person sitting over there, hatash. He doesn't know what to do. So he's infatuated by the situation. He's actually in love with his own self. Do you know how the person is in love with his own self? I am the greatest martyr on this planet Earth. मैं किसी को मारना नहीं चाहता. मैं है ना बहुत अच्छा आदमी बनना चाहता हूँ. ऐसा करके imagine करो, this is what he is going to think and this is what is there in the future. So how has this infatuation overtaken you at this odd hour? At this odd hour का मतलब अभी वो बैटल फील्ड में बैठ के है ना अपने रोना धो रहा है. Imagine करो, there everybody is ready, ऐसा बाण बीन लगा के एकदम मस्त से. There was one very beautiful movie that I saw in the past, and everybody should watch this film. If you have not watched, kindly watch it. It's a movie called An Officer and a Gentleman. Have you seen? It's an amazing film. It's an amazing film starring Richard Gere. Now, there is a shot where everybody is supposed to stand in queue, and they are in a queue, and the sergeant comes and inspects everybody, and he looks at top to bottom, and the shoes are shining bright. Everybody's shoes are shining bright. And later on we see Richard Gere collecting money from all these guys.
Yeah, to polish.
To polish his shoes. So the sergeant later on comes to know about all these tricks. Actually, you are supposed to do your own stuff, but here he is doing for other people. तो जो बैटल अटेंडेंस होना है, वो बैटल अटेंडेंस में भी वो लोगों का शूज पॉलिश करने वाला दूसरा आदमी. ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? So here everybody is ready, and this is one guy who is supposed to be the main character in the film, says I am not ready. क्यों? क्योंकि he is infatuated with the situation. He is in love with his own pity, you know, the pitifulness, the martyrgiri that he is showing. He is very much in love with that. It is shunned by noble souls, neither will it bring heaven nor fame to you. Heaven, the things which bring heaven to you are the activities that we keep on doing in our material world, isn't it? We get, even in Christianity or in Buddhism and all this, there is a mention which says, do good deeds and you will go to heaven. So those who do their jobs end up in heaven, and those who don't do their jobs go to hell. What? Right? So that is the reason why Krishna says कि तुम अगर अच्छा कृत्य करोगे जो तुम्हारे जिंदगी में लिखा गया है, तो you will end up in heaven. And but here what you are doing, you won't even go to heaven, and you won't even get famous, because भाग रहा है, देख रो रहा है फील्ड में. इमेजिन करो, धनुर्धर, सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट पर्सन ऑन दिस प्लैनेट अर्थ, इज सिटिंग ओवर देयर क्राइंग. Yield not to unmanliness, Arjuna, this does not become of you. Shaking off this base faint-heartedness, stand up, O scorcher of enemies. So, unmanliness. आज मैंने उसी के ऊपर लिखा, मेरे को 10 जन तो गाली देने वाले आज सवेरे सवेरे जो लिखा मैंने. ब्रिटो सेंथिल सोचता रहेगा कि यार आई कैन आई रिमूव माई सेल्फ फ्रॉम दिस ग्रुप. बोला हम लोगों के इसमें उसको जयचंद बोलते हैं. जयचंद का मतलब मालूम है? देयर इज अ स्टोरी ऑफ जयचंद, यू नो?
नो.
Jaychand was a spy who was with Rana, and he would listen to, he was the right hand man of Rana Pratap
Singh,
उधर का, राजस्थान का. तो he was his right hand man, and everything that the king said, he would go and report to the Mughal rulers over there. And though he was the very close, compatriot of Rana, he would go and do this thing. So the word Jaychand became very famous during ancient times because it means somebody who
betrays.
What? उसको इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं अपने को मालूम नहीं.
Betray.
हाँ हाँ, betrayal.
Two-faced.
हाँ
Two-faced.
हाँ. तो ऐसा, तो यहाँ पे वही है कि अर्जुना को बोल रहे हैं yield not to unmanliness. Yeah, unmanliness, when you are supposed to go and fight, man doesn't mean a man, the human ka man, not man and woman. Human, human. Okay, it doesn't mean manliness is not that. Manliness is supposed to be a quality connected to humans. A woman can be also manly, by the way. When she takes up the cudgels, when she stands to fight the battles, maybe Rani ki Jhansi or maybe Suki, Angmong Suki, क्या उसका नाम है? ऐसे कुछ तो भी नाम है. Aung San Suu Kyi.
Aung San Suu Kyi.
हाँ वही, वैसे कोई खड़ा रहेगा ना तो. So she is a very manly person who is ready to take up the activities. So here you have Arjuna sleeping down over there, sitting down, and completely, pitiable condition. So he says this unmanliness doesn't become of you. Shaking off his base faint-heartedness, stand up, O scorcher of enemies. What do you mean by scorcher of enemies? Remember, Arjuna was the person who used to, when they had the Vanvas, he was the person who was responsible for all activities connected to warfare. His other brothers were not responsible. When he had to go out and hunt and do all sorts of things, Arjuna was the born leader. He was, later on when Yudhishthir becomes the king of Indraprasth, later on, his general is Arjuna. Arjuna goes on to conquer lands as far as Indonesia. He is That means from India, from Delhi to Indonesia. So if you remember it, that place, the whole place was called Indochina earlier. Okay, in ancient times that was a part of India. So Burma and Laos and Cambodia and Myanmar and all these places were a part of India alone. So he became a general. So in the before the start of the war, he was the person who was responsible for all kinds of activities which are associated with hunting and so on and so forth. Arjuna said, "How, Krishna, shall I fight Bhishma and Drona with arrows on the battlefield? They are worthy of deepest reverence, O destroyer of foes." Isn't this a very ironic statement? Imagine he is telling, how can I fight Bhishma and Drona with arrows in the battlefield? Isn't it ironic? Ironic means there the teachers are ready to kill the student. Dronacharya and Bhishma are ready to kill these guys, and here this guy is saying, मैं उनको कैसे मार सकता हूँ? In this statement, there is one very important thing which I expressed to you about 10 minutes back, and I said, Arjuna's mind is in the future, not in the current scenario. You know, every time I have told you all this, why are you all dwelling in the past, or why are you all going to the future? Why are you not in the here and now? In this line, he is already gone to the future. Shall I fight Bhishma and Drona with arrows in the battlefield? He is thinking of fighting them well before he has fought them. And later on in the next line he is going to say that how about killing such type of people? That means you imagine this person has already thought of victory even before he has gone to the battlefield. And yet when the person knows he is going to be victorious, yet he doesn't want to do anything about it. We have this situation in our life so many times where we know the outcome and yet we are afraid to take the step here and now. The outcome is what? The outcome is this, say in Pari's life, let us say. Pari may become tomorrow the Nobel Prize winner for economics. And if it is already, she has already thought, I want to become the Nobel Prize winner of economics. Or Raj may think of, I want to become the chairman of IBM. And here today you are saying, मैं कैसा कर सकता है, मेरे से नहीं हो सकता, ये वो. And where you are telling कि मैं कल जाके ये करने वाली हूँ. So here he is already talking about fighting Bhishma and Drona with arrows in the battlefield. So Arjuna is saying something about the future, but he is not talking of something just now. It is better to live on alms in this world by not slaying these noble elders. He is talking of slaying. Can you see? When is he not talking well in advance? That means he is so goddamn sure of slaying him. The absolute certainty with which you go and say these words, that slaying my gurus, it's better to live on alms. मैं भीख मांगूंगा उससे, मैं उनको फाइट नहीं कर सकता हूँ. क्यों? हमारे लाइफ में ये सिचुएशन आई है कि नहीं आई है? देखो, सोचो, आप सोचो, and you will come to know that this situation has come to us in our life also, where we have to fight our fathers, our forefathers. उन लोगों ने बोला था, ये लड़के से शादी मत करना. और उस टाइम पे हम लोगों ने बोला था, क्यों, उसमें क्या कमी है, मैं उसी के साथ शादी करूंगी. अभी मैं फिल्म डायलॉग बोल रहा हूँ, लेकिन ऐसा ही, उसमें क्या है, कमी है, उससे मैं ही शादी करूंगी. ये मेरे हाथ है ठाकुर, इससे हम खाना खाएंगे और फिर ये करेंगे और वो करेंगे. बोलने के लिए तैयार थे कि नहीं? बोला सब जन ने, पूरे फैमिली ने बोला कि ये लड़की तेरे लिए बराबर नहीं है, पूरे फैमिली ने बोला कि ये ना ये लड़का बराबर नहीं है, लेकिन किया तो सही। और दूसरी बात ये कि कितने टाइम हमको ये बोला गया है कि ये कोर्स मत करना, तेरे को इसमें कुछ नहीं आता है। बोला यू शुड ज्वाइन द गवर्नमेंट सर्विसेज, डोंट टेक अप प्राइवेट सर्विसेज। हाँ, and many a times you have been dissuaded